In this video, I'll show you how to create a HubSpot email campaign. Start by signing into your HubSpot account. From the dashboard, click Marketing, then select Email. Next, click Create Email in the top right corner. After that, choose the type of email you want to create. Select Regular for a one-time marketing email, then choose a template or start with a blank layout. Now enter an internal name for your email so you can easily identify it later. Next, customize the email by editing the subject line, preview text, logo, images, buttons, and content. You can drag and drop elements into the email and personalize the message using contact properties if needed. After that, click the Recipients tab and choose the contact list or audience that will receive your email. Now go to the Settings tab and review your sender name, sender email address, subscription type, and any tracking options. Next, click Review and Send to check for any issues. HubSpot will scan your email and provide recommendations before you publish it. After that, choose whether to send the email immediately or click Schedule to send it at a later date and time. Finally, once your campaign has been sent, return to the email dashboard to monitor opens, clicks, deliveries, and other performance metrics. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a HubSpot email campaign. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.